Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add umbilical cord to the birth plan on the Pregnancy Plus application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the Me button next to the baby icon at the lower side of the screen and click to the birth plan button. In the select items section, you can find the umbilical cord under the after delivery. Click that and you can find different options. For example, I hate arrange to bank the cord blood, or I would like to my partner to cut the umbilical cord. And if you want to add an item to your birth plan, just click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.